everybody, and today I want to talk about something really quick that I learned. If you haven't seen in the other video, I went to a couple of banks and I actually learned something today. And if anybody knows anything about me, I love learning new things. That's probably why I have this channel and I share, because when I learn something or when I'm teaching my process, I'm sure there's someone just like me that loves learning new things. So anyway, what I want to talk about is how you can actually cash flow and make money every month without toilets, tenants, or trash. Now, I probably knew about this already, but I did not know to the extent of it that I could actually do this, which I'm just going to give it away for free because I don't really care. You know, I'm all about wanting people to like live effortlessly and have effortless prosperity. So this is something I'm just going to give away totally free. But it does play into, you know, what I do, right? So as you guys know, I do tax deed investing, and some of the cheaper properties, if you are doing this already actively or you've done it in the past, you know that most tax deed properties are vacant land, especially if you're buying 2,000 and below, unless you're in certain cities. Like my course, you could buy properties all day long. My $77 course, you could buy properties all day long for 2,000. They're actual physical properties, but of course they do need to be fixed up for 2,000. Okay, but when you're in major cities like myself, like Dallas, Tarrant, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, these larger cities, even where was I looking the other day? In Los Angeles, what was it? Was it Ventura County? No, Kern County. A lot of these places, you can buy land super cheap. So let me just get into how you can create a cash flow. Most of the time, and I explain this a lot in my course, is that when you're buying a property, you want to, of course, buy it for less than what it's worth, right? So like, for example, I was looking in Kern County for a student. It's in California. I found tons and tons of lots for like $1,000, $700, $800. Right now, where was I looking? I was like, people are sleeping. Oh, Santa Cruz, because Santa Cruz is really expensive. And I'm like, people are sleeping on it because the land was like $3,000. Nobody's bidding on it. I put a watch on it. But land over there easily goes for over $100,000, which leads me to this. So I was trying to see what I needed for like a construction loan to build, to actually give me some framework of what I would need to do to build these properties out in Oklahoma. And the banker gave me a grand idea. He was like, well, how many pieces of land or lot you have? And I said, well, I have 4. I said, I'm going to try to build on 2. And I said, I'm going to see how it goes. And he's like, well, would you be open to selling the other lots? And I was like, well, it depends on the right price. He says, you know, there's a lot of people like yourself that wants to build, but they don't have the land. And I said, okay, tell me more. And he was like, you could become the banker. So I was like, my wheels got to rolling. And what I want you to get from this video, for those that are looking for cash flow, just imagine buying a property for, let's just say $2,000, but it's worth $20,000. You could then become the bank. You could sell it to another investor or someone that's wanting to build, but they don't have the money right now. And you could sell it, let's just say, for 10 grand. They give you $3,000 down. So not only do you get your money back from the land, but you get $1,000 over, and then you can get monthly payments until they pay it off. And I was like, oh my God, this is a way that people can really make money without having to worry about toilets, trash, or tenants. And I was like, how amazing is this, that where there's a will, there's a way. Like, there's a way that you could make money any way that you desire. And so I just wanted to share that piece with you because the banker brought that to my idea, and then a friend was talking about it too. But you can also, you know, buy a piece of land and then just save it for yourself, you know, to build on it, you know, for the future or whatever may have you. At the end of the day, I know a lot of people are looking for cash flow. And so this was just phenomenal to share, and I just thought I would like to share it with you to let you know that there is a way that you can do cash flow without having to get an appraiser and all that stuff. You can literally buy dirt and either lease the dirt out or do what I call its owner financing. So you would be the bank and you would finance somebody that wants to buy your land as opposed to giving you a huge lump sum or $10,000. Or there are people that will do that as well. I mean, that's what I do every day. Anyway, wanted to give you that tidbit. If this was helpful, please like, share, and comment. Look forward to giving you new content.